Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. We just got back from eating out. And when I was at the restaurant, there was a Toys to Top box there, which was good. I didn't have to go to my own diner to do it. So I had a bag of 5 Rubik's Cubes, and I placed it in the Toys to Top box, and I was very proud of that. So there's going to be some kids that are going to have some awesome Rubik's Cubes, or, well, regular twisty puzzles or 3x3 cubes for Christmas, hopefully this year. So I do have, I ordered 6 more, and then I ordered 6 more of this type right here. And this is the one that won the competition. If you didn't see my video prior, go ahead and this is the Rubik's Cube that won. And I bought 6 twisty puzzles for $4.99 and below. $4.99 and below. So, and this one was the only one that was $3.99, and it won. Let me tell you, this was really good. I mean, I forget what the name of it is. Milong, oh, here we go. MFJS Milong 3C 3x3, $3.99, and that's including, because I bought 6, I get 10% off. No, yesterday I didn't have the discount, but Monday was Cyber Monday, and I got 10% off of there. So each cube cost about $3.60, something like that. So it was a good buy. And let me tell you, this is a good cube. I like it. For being $3.99, it is nice. It doesn't have any fancy, markings on it, or it doesn't have UV or that other coating. It's just plastic, but it's very nice, and it is a speed cube. It's still good. I love it. For $3.99 plus the discounts I got, it was awesome. And that's the box it came in. I'll put the information again in case you want to. There's going to be like an affiliate link, so you can go straight to the cubicle.com and get it. I get like 1%. It's not a lot. So what's that? 360 minus let's say $3.99 minus times 1%. That's only like 4 cents. So I'm not getting a lot of money from it, but it'd be a link. It'd be convenient for you to go get it. So if you want to get some, donate it to Toys to Top, go right ahead. It's not a lot of money. You can buy 10. It'd be close to $40, and you can give 10 lucky kids a nice Rubik's Cube. The reason why I'm making this video is because I got another cube from the cubicle.com. Some of you guys are saying, you got another one? There it goes. MoreTry Tianma Tianma X3 Plus V4 3x3 Megalith Plus UV. Let me open that up. MoreTry cubes. I believe this just came out, or was this on back order? I'm not sure. It's a nice box. Super Megalith. And then the rest is in how the box looks without the glare. Get my thumbnail ready. They all come with a card. I'm not sure what the big deal is. Now, it doesn't comes in a little foam. How much was this? $34.99. Now this has got to be really good, because the V100, the GAN V100 is only $39.99, I believe it is. So this has got to be outstanding, because the V100 was awesome. Alright, accessory box. Comes with an adjustment tool. This one looks like a nice adjustment tool. Comes with instructions on how to solve the cube and how to turn it and all that good stuff. Terminology. This is what I like. Stuff in little bags. I like that. Here are some extra magnets. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look it up. Ooh, comes with a blank cap. That's nice. Comes with some glasses wipes so you can clean your cube. And kind of like glasses where you can, clean your glasses. CFOP algorithm tutorial. And this tells you about the cube itself. And it shows you how to adjust it. And that's how the cube looks. Oh, definitely UV. It is shiny. That thing is nice and shiny. And I like the colors are nice and bright. I like that. And it's kind of the original colors to the Rubik's Cube, which I like. It looks like it's big. Let me compare it to my Furrier Core. Same size and about the same colors too. About the same colors. I like it. And the internals are nothing fancy, but I like it though. All right, it's hard for me to turn it because it's too loose, so I keep locking up. But I can adjust it. So that's it. It's right now it's way too loose, but I like it. It's nice and smooth. I think I prefer my GAN 100. Yeah, I like it, but I like my GAN 100 better. So, but I think it's right there. You can see the magnets. When it gets a little bit, when I tighten it up a little bit, I think I'd be okay. Each cube depends on the individual. No cube is going to be 100% for everyone. It's just impossible. But if you make a cube that's adjustable and in the middle somewhere, where, you know what, this is my GAN 100 is 25% better than this one. And it's only, I think GAN V100 is $39.99, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me see. There we go, $39.99. Yep. So for $5 more, I have to say I would get the GAN V100, but this is also good. I like it. And with the V100, I like the black internals. That looks cool to me. Let's see if you can see that. You can tell the GAN because it's all black. So kind of like this. Yeah, I like my GAN V100 much better. Let's see if it's better. Now this cube is awesome, and it's a smart cube, but it turns really nice. This one is my MoU Super Along AI 3x3 8 magnet ball core, or I suppose says bung core. Megalith Plus UV, 134.99 because it's a smart cube. You can get smart cubes way cheaper than this one, but this is a nice cube. Check out the video that I have on it. So it is nice. It comes with some good features, and I tested out the app. The app is really nice. I think it's actually better than the Cube Central, something like that. The Cube Central app, something like that. So I like it. I like that. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. You know, I had to test it out, of course. But I was locking up, so I think it's just too loose for me. But I think if I tighten up, I think I'd be okay. Ooh, it's because it's really loose, but it has really good corner. I can see this corner twisting or edge twisting on me. Of course, I'm not that fast, so I might not do that. But I saw a video with a guy, I think he was doing a 5x5, and he was just about to break his own record. And I think he had like 3 moves. A piece fell out, like right when he was doing like the last 5 moves. And then after that, when he was doing like the last 3 or 2 moves, the whole thing just fell apart. It was like raining cube pieces, and I was like, oh, he was so close. Oh man. So I like the way this turns. I like the way it feels. I like the way it turns. Of course, it's like I said, it's too loose. And if I tighten it up, I think it'd be good. And like I was just saying, the corner twist. Look, you can do it right at 45. Look. That's nice. I like this cube. It just feels, you know, I know I keep saying it, but when I grew up, we had the original Rubik's Cube because I am a Gen X. And in 1980, when it came out, I was 12 years old. And when I was doing it, it was I mean, I have one right here too. I have an original Rubik's Cube. And if you're not even close, it will not turn. It will lock up on you. But I only bought this for nostalgic purposes because it says Rubik Cube on it. So it's not sticker, it's tile, but you know, it's close enough to the original. And then I actually got 2 Rubik's Cubes. This one is the one I did in the snow the other day. This is a Rubik's Speed. Yeah. That's the one I saw when I was out in the snow. Check out that video. So this is, I'll give it a 4. I like it. But for $5 more, the GAN V100 is where it's at. Yeah. I am not sponsored by GAN. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm not sponsored by Cubicle.com. I am not sponsored at all. Like when I do a review here, I'm not sponsored by anybody. So if I said this cube sucks, like one of the $4.99 cubes I got, not this one, that's the one that won, but it really was bad. I did not like it at all. And I said, I don't like this one at all. I wouldn't recommend it to no one. It was like sandpaper. And for a speed cube, it wasn't. I didn't like it at all. But I'm not pressured because Cubicle.com is not sponsoring me. So I'm not trying to suck ass to them, you know what I mean? So now there's a company that's going to say, hey, can you sponsor this? And if they send me the product and I like it, yeah, I'm going to say it's good. Or if I get a box one day, Cubicle.com, with free stuff, I know I'm not that popular yet, I would do reviews on it. But that day that I come yet, I'm still paying for all my cubes. But I would definitely tell you if they did send me anything for free. Okay. They have my address because I spent over I don't know. I'm going to say $800 so far. You know, I don't know if it's that much, but it might be $600. Well, $130 was on one product. And then I got the Gang 16 I got on Amazon. That was my first speed cube. Well, kind of first speed cube. But then I started ordering everything from thecubicle.com. So I'm going to say it was like at least $600, I have to say. I might be exaggerating, but I'm not sure. But I did spend a lot of money on a lot of cubes. So Gang 100, if you want a nice cube, check this one out. And like I said, it feels nice. It really does. But it's not 100% for me. Maybe if I tighten it a little bit, it might. So. But it's okay. But like I said, I prefer my Gang better. And I also like my Furry Core from Cubehead. I like this one much better. So that's what it is. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. But it's a low 4, you know what I'm saying? So room for improvement, of course, I think. That's all I have. If you have any questions on this MoreTry Tianma UV coated 3x3 Megalith, just put the comment down below and I'll try to answer it as much as I can. I'm not an expert on any cubes. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm a beginner cube. I'm not even considering myself a speed cube. Alright, so that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Conquering the game, every single puzzle I'm rising to fame. With style and precision I'm claiming my throne. In this world of speed cubing I'm never alone. So watch me take flight, I'm the one to beat.